Okay, it's an application of derivatives. Think we did derivatives. Are you all thorough with the formula? Last class I asked you to learn the formula. Yes, Srihari is saying yes. Ready, Srihari?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, Srihari, tell me what is tan inverse of x?
1 by 1 plus x square.
Okay, Ashwin, a raised to x. Can't, yeah, it is a raised, derivative of a raised to x.
I don't remember, ma'am.
Now learn it. Open your notebook and learn it. Gauri, derivative of x raised to x.
X raised to x into 1 plus log x.
Navrin, sine inverse of x.
1 by root 1 minus x square.
Aditya, cosec inverse of x.
And 1 by root x into x square minus
Is it minus is there or not?
minus 1.
Dia, cosec x. Derivative of cosec x.
Minus cosec x cos x. C.
Huh?
Cot x.
Minus cosec x cot x. Dia, Nia, Gayatri, derivative of sec square sec x.
Sec x.
Achyut, derivative of tan x. Tan x.
6 squares.
Michael, derivative of cos x. Don't look in the formula.
Minus sin x.
Minus sin x. Nandana, derivative of a raised to x.
A raised to x log a.
A raised to x into log a. Atul, derivative of x raised to x.
X raised into 1 plus log x.
Rijas, derivative of 2 raised to x.
2. 2 raised to x. 2 raised to x log 2.
2 raised to x log 2. Sania, derivative of cot x.
Minus cosec square x.
Minus cosec square x. Okay. Okay. So now let us do with the next topic, application of derivatives. Okay. Application of derivatives. And one more thing I want to say, tomorrow I'll be giving 5 questions. That is one case study question from matrices and determinants. One case study question will be given. Get ready for the test. During the class time, last 5 minutes, it will be given. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
from the one question from each chapter.
Not only one question from either from matrices or determinants, one question, 5 marks, 5 minutes only will be given. Within that 5 minutes, you have to submit it. Okay. So practice well and go through the case studies, questions in your question bank and what you are, okay, from the question paper, all the questions related to matrices and determinants, learn it well and come. Okay. Now, the next one we are going to discuss is application of derivatives. In application of derivatives, we have 3 main topics. First one is increasing, decreasing functions. Next one is tangents and normal. And the next one is maxima, minima. Okay. So today we are going to start with tangents and normals. We are going to start with the tangents and normals. Okay. So tangents. So in tangent, we use one important word called slope. What is the another name of slope? What is the other name? Another name of slope? Slope is otherwise called? Slope is otherwise called gradient. Okay, note down. Slope or gradient. Gradient, gradient. slope or gradient. So slope of the curve is given by, it is denoted as m and it is given by either dy by dx or tan theta. If angle is given means it is tan theta. If points are given means it is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Or if the straight line is given means minus a by b. Okay, if the straight line is given ax plus by plus c is 0 means slope is minus a by b. So using this many ways we find out the slope or gradient. Slope or gradient means, in other words, we can say this as tangent of the angle of inclination. It is the tangent of the angle of inclination. Tangent with the tangent of angle of inclination only we call it a slope. It is called the slope, tangent of angle of inclination. It is given by slope m is equal to either dy by dx or tan theta y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 or minus a by b. Then what about slope of x-axis? What is the slope of x-axis? Yes, what is slope of x-axis? Those who know, give the answer. Yes, try it. If it goes wrong, no problem.
Y is equal to 0.
Slope of x-axis, is it y0? Equation of x-axis is y0. So slope is yes, 0. Slope of x-axis is 0. Okay. Equation of x-axis is, okay, you what you gave along with y, you said this is equation of x-axis. Okay. Equation of x-axis is y is 0. Therefore, what is the slope? dy by dx is 0. So whenever you are given a line parallel to x-axis, so line is parallel to x-axis means immediately we can say slope is 0. A line is parallel to x-axis, that means slope is 0. Then what about equation of y-axis? Equation of y-axis is x is 0. Therefore, x, it is a function in x. Therefore, we can say dx by dy is 0. That means dy by dx is not defined. It is not defined. So, if a line is parallel to y-axis, slope is not defined. Parallel to y-axis. In other words, we can say perpendicular to x-axis. Then, if two lines are parallel, what can you say about the slopes?
Slopes are equal.
Yes, lines are parallel, slopes are equal. Slopes are equal. Lines are perpendicular. In other words, we can say orthogonal. Then yes. Yes, Rijas, what you will get? If two lines are perpendicular.
M1, M2 is equal to
1. M1,
Minus
M2, minus 1. Product of the slope is minus 1. Product of the slope is minus 1. Then, what about equation of tangent? Nandana.
Y minus y0 into f dash of x into x minus x0.
Into x minus x0. So where x0, y0 is the point where we draw the tangent. Okay. At the point x0, y0, if we draw the tangent, what is meant by tangent? A line is touching the curve. That is what we call it as tangent. At the point x0, y0, if we draw the tangent, then the equation is given by y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. What about equation of normal? What about equation of normal? Now in
Y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by m x minus x1.
y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. This equation of the normal. Okay. If you are thorough with all this formula and if you are thorough with the derivatives, we can do the questions related to tangents and normals easily. Write the question. Ready? Okay, write the question. Find the slope of the tangent. Find the slope of the tangent and normal. Find the slope of the tangent and normal at a point 2, 6. Find the slope of the tangent and normal at a point. Find the slope of the tangent and normal at a point 2, 6 to the curve. To the curve y is equal to x cube minus x. To the curve y is equal to x cube minus x. What is asked? Find the slope of the tangent and normal at the point 2, 6 to the curve y is equal to x cube minus x. Try this and give the answer. Equation of tangent and normal to the curve. What is the answer, Nandana?
I got 11.
Slope of the tangent is 11. Is it correct, Emmanuel? What is dy by dx? Dy by dx. Dy by dx is? What is dy by dx?
0.
What is y? What is the curve here? Y is equal to,
X cube minus X.
so when you differentiate it, what is dy by dx?
3x square minus 1.
Yes, then we are saying that is 0. That is what I asked you earlier. What is dy by dx? Okay. Now, okay, so what will be the slope? Slope is 11. Slope of the tangent is 11. So in the place of x and y, you substitute that value. So slope is 11. And what is the slope of the normal? Sania?
I didn't get the answer.
Dy by dx, are you able to calculate? Is it okay up to that?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is dy by dx? Is 3x square minus 1, isn't it? Here it is given slope of the tangent and normal at the point. What is the point given here? 2, 6. That means after finding the slope, after finding dy by dx, you put x is equal to 2 and y is 6. If y term is there, means you put y is 6. So when you put this, what you will get? Put in this, substitute for dy by dx, you will get 3 into 2 square minus 1. Is it okay, Sania?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent is always dy by dx, which is 11. So what will be slope of the normal? Normal means the perpendicular line, isn't it? What do you have to do? We have to reverse it and change the sign. We have to reverse it and you have to take this, change the sign. Reciprocal and change the sign. So it will be minus 1 by 11. It is minus 1 by 11. Now is it okay, Sania?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, the next question. Next one. Find the equation of the tangent and normal. Find the equation of the tangent and normal to the curve. Find the equation of the tangent and normal to the curve. X raised to 2 by 3 plus y raised to 2 by 3. X raised to 2 by 3 plus y raised to 2 by 3 is equal to 1 at the point 1, 1. At the point 1, 1. We are asked to find equation of tangent and normal to the curve x raised to 2 by 3 plus y raised to 2 by 3 is equal to 1 at 1, 1. So whether it is tangent or normal, we want to find dy by dx. So find what is dy by dx. Differentiate. Give me what is dy by dx. What is derivative of x raised to n? Alvin? Derivative of x raised to n is?
nx raised to n minus 1.
Very good. Nx raised to n minus 1. How will you differentiate this? Atul, differentiate and give the answer, Atul.
dy by dx is equal to minus x raised to minus 1 by 3 by y raised to minus 1 by 3.
Minus x raised to minus 1 by 3 by y raised to.
Y raised to minus 1 by 3.
Is it correct, children? Are you getting like this? Dia, is it correct, Dia? X raised n into, isn't it? We have to put it the power in the front, reduce the power by 1. Okay, n x raised to n minus 1 plus, here if you differentiate 2 by 3 y raised to 2 by 3 minus 1, but whenever we differentiate y, we should put dy by dx equal to 1 means constant, it will become 0. We can divide throughout 2 by 3. Okay, so Nandana, so what will be the value of m, Nandana?
-1.
Yes, correct. It is minus 1. So once we get the slope, what is asked in the question? We are asked to find the tangent and normal. Michael, what is the equation of the tangent? Equation of the tangent?
Y minus y0 is equal to m into x minus x1.
So here when you apply this, what you will get? Y minus, what is y1 here? At the point 1, 1, isn't it? So what is y1? Yes, Michael? y1. At the point x1, y1 means? We are drawing the tangent. X1 is 1, y1 is 1. So what is the equation of the tangent? Y minus?
Y minus 1 is equal to m.
Yes.
minus
What is m? M is? M is? What's the value of m? Is it -1? Here we have already calculated. Just substitute it into x minus 1. So y minus 1 is minus x plus 1. So on simplifying, what is the equation? Ashwin, equation.
Y plus x minus 2 is equal to 0.
Y plus x minus 2 is 0. But always, usually we write x in the beginning. Okay. So you can rearrange it as x plus y minus 2 is 0. Okay. Srihari, equation of normal.
1.
1. M, equation of normal. Yes, Srihari, what is the equation of normal?
-1 by slope of tangent.
-1. Not getting what you're saying. Repeat it again. Ashwin, Please repeat what he said then.
He said -1 by slope of tangent.
Okay. That is slope of the normal. What is equation of the normal? Slope of the normal is okay. So it is it is 1. Okay. This is normal. What will be the equation of normal? What is the formula?
Y minus y1 is equal to 1 by m into x minus x1.
Minus 1 by m. Okay. Minus 1 by m into x minus x1. So here y minus, what is y1 here? 1 equal to, okay. So when we are using this formula, don't write like this. Okay. If it is asked particularly, you write what is it. Otherwise, you straight away write here -1 by -1 into, otherwise you will do the mistake. Okay. You will put excess. Here we are taking the reciprocal and we are writing -1 by m. So straight away substitute the value. If they ask particularly, give the slope means you take the reciprocal and write. Otherwise, m itself is enough. So what is the final answer? Gauri?
X minus y is equal to 0.
X minus y is 0. X minus y is equal to 0. Next one. Next one is a similar question. Find the equation of tangent and normal. Find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve f of x is equal to e raised to x plus x square plus 1. Find the equation of the tangent and normal to the curve f of x is equal to e raised to x plus x square plus 1 at the point 0, 2. At 0, 2. Do this and give the answer.
Can you say once more?
Find the equation of the tangent and normal to the curve. Okay, find the equation of the tangent and normal to the curve f of x is equal to e raised to x plus x square plus 1 at 0, 2. Emmanuel, calculate f dash of x and give what is f dash of x, Emmanuel?
E raised to x plus 2x.
Yes, very good. E raised to x plus 2x. So it is f dash of x, or we can say this is same as dy by dx, isn't it? Now, Michael, give the equation of tangents. Calculate and give the equation of tangents.
Y minus 2 is equal to m into x minus 0.
Y minus 2 is equal to m into x minus 0. Okay, what is m? Correct. Find out m and substitute it. Okay, substitute the value of m. So we'll get the tangent. What is the value of m? Rijas? Rijas, value of m?
0.
M is 0. No. Achyut, what is the value of m?
0.
0. How will you get 0? At the point 0, isn't it? When you put x is 0, what you will get? Atul? What's the value of 1? How you get 1? Explain it, Atul.
E raised to 0
Ah,
plus 0.
plus 0. So what is e raised to 0? Achyut? What is anything
Ma'am,
raised to
that
0?
was the one I had confusion.
Ah. Anything raised to 0 is 1. Anything raised to 0 is 1. So m will be 1. It is not 0. Naureen, so what is the equation of tangent, Naureen?
X minus y plus 2, 0.
X minus y plus 2 equal to 0. Okay. Gayatri, normal.
X plus y minus 0.
Sania, are you able to do this, Sania?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shivani? Hmm. So, which are you able to do this one? Shivani?
I'm doing.
Hmm. Yes, is it over? Emmanuel, are you there? Ah, okay, Emmanuel. Shall we move on to the next one? Write the next one. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve x square plus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve x square plus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0, which is parallel to the line. Which is parallel to the line y is equal to 4x minus 5. Y is equal to 4x minus 5. This is again another model. Is or no? In textbook, we have similar questions. Okay, today, once we complete this one, today what you have to do? Sit and learn this exercise thorough. Make all the questions. Go through all the questions in tangents and normal. 1 hour is enough if you sit and complete that full exercise. You can do it. Now look at here, which is parallel to this line. So here, instead of giving a point, what is given? We are drawing a tangent to the curve. We don't know the point. You take the point as x1, y1. And what is given? This tangent is parallel to the line y is equal to 4x minus 5. Therefore, what we can say? Tangent is parallel to the line means? Slope of the tangent, isn't it? Slope of the tangent will be same as slope of the line because they are parallel. Slope of the tangent is same as slope of the line. What is slope of the tangent? dy by dx. What is the slope of the line? Here also you can find dy by dx, isn't it? dy by dx. So what is dy by dx of the line? So Okay, dy by dx from the curve is equal to dy by dx of the line because it is parallel. So from the line, you find out what is dy by dx. From the curve also, you find out what is dy by dx. So we get 2x plus 3 dy by dx equal to 0. So we get 3 dy by dx is equal to minus 2x. Therefore, what is dy by dx? Minus 2x by 3. So we get minus 2x by 3 is equal to, what is the slope of the line there? Is it 4? From here, find out what is x. Aditya, what is the value of x?
-6.
X is minus 6. If x is minus 6, substitute this in equation of the curve. Okay. Substitute in the equation of the curve and find out what is y. Don't substitute it in the tangent. Okay, we have to, okay, don't substitute in the parallel line. We want a point on the curve. So substitute this point in the equation of the curve and find out what is y. Yes, y value, Ashwin? Ashwin, y value is?
minus 11, ma'am.
Yes, correct. Minus 11. So once you find y, give the equation of the tangent. X is given, y is given. Already we know that slope is 4. So what is the equation of the tangent? Krishna Chandran. Okay. Calculate and give the answer. Krishna Chandran. Krishna Chandran is present. Krishna Chandran not. Okay. He has sent the message. Sri Hari, give the answer.
Ma'am, 4x minus y plus 13 is 0.
Yes, correct. 4x minus y plus 13 is 0. 4x minus y plus 13. Dia, are you getting this answer, Dia?
Yes, ma'am.
Shivani, is it okay? Shivani? Where is Shivani? Michael? Write the next one. Find the equation. Yes, Sachin.
Now, can you explain the last step?
So are you getting the value of x and y, yum? Up to that, is it okay? Then you apply in the equation of the tangent. What is the equation of the tangent? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. x1 is minus 6, y1 is negative 11. Apply in the formula, you will get. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Equation of the tangent. Now write the next one. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve y is equal to x cube minus 1. Equation of the tangent to the curve y is equal to x cube minus 1 into x minus 2. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve y is equal to x cube minus 1 into x minus 2 at the point where the curve cuts the x-axis. At the point where the curve cuts the x-axis. At the point where the curve cuts the x-axis. So how will you do this? A point where the curve cuts the x-axis. That means what you can say? A point crosses the x-axis, or a curve cuts the x-axis. A curve crosses the x-axis. That means?
Y is equal to 0.
Very good, Michael. Y is 0. Okay? Y is 0. On x-axis, y value will be 0. Similarly, when it cuts y-axis means x is 0. Okay? Solve this. Try to solve this, and the next period, be ready with the answer. Okay? Be ready with the answer. Okay, children. With this, we wind up. Thank you.